and
Yeah.
this younger one, he's 10 years. Okay. So, being I'm a working professional as well, so I just have something because nowadays everything kids are studying, everything is online, right?
Yeah.
They don't study from books these days. They study from YouTubes and they study from other online whatever techniques they people are being shared by friends or any other teachers and all.
Mhm.
So, first thing, though, there are the things that raising a boy single-handedly is not an easy thing, which I have just been started experiencing.
Okay.
So थोड़े बहुत fears होते हैं. There are many fears कि आपको लगता है कि कोई गलत रास्ता है या फिर your child, because this is their age where they
हाँ,
can
क्योंकि और
get
काम था
distracted.
लेकिन अभी स्टार्ट हो गया तो बाद में ही करूँगी।
So
Yeah.
rather into these smoking, drinking, or drugs, or getting attracted or having some kind of infatuation for the opposite sex and all, because we have also been through this age of teenagers, right? So I cannot experience what a boy can be feeling, but still certain attributes which generally scares me. So I my only purpose of joining this session was like I want to understand, like, what are the key factors that, a parent can do. And especially, I think it is a behavior or nature of the child as well. Because, for example, my elder son is quite, very docile, submissive kind of. But my younger son, he's 10, but he's more aggressive. So, on a serious note, what I feel is like, in terms of giving a check or keeping a check eye on these two, I have to be more conscious about my younger son. So any like, any suggestions or guidance you can give?
Sure. Great.
Yeah.
Yeah, got it. So that whole fear here, this age, man, there's a lot of exposure happening, and
Yeah.
everything is online. So everything and anything is available, right? You got it. Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else? And guys, seriously speaking, if you think हम आज सिर्फ मेरे को सुन के चले जाएंगे, obviously I will talk about it. I will take you through this process, but this is a process where we need to dialogue. And I keep saying these are not topics which normally parents are able to talk to children. अगर आप यहाँ पे नहीं बात कर पाओगे तो फिर बच्चों के साथ तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं हो पाएगा.
True.
Impossible. I can guarantee that. Uh, so Nidhi, I know you were saying stuff, but do you understand that while you were talking about it, the words didn't come out of your mouth? Can you
Yeah.
realize that
Right. True.
it's difficult to speak out those words? So my
Yeah.
question
It
to all
happened. It happened few months back. I don't check their mobile phones, but few days of 1 month back actually, I just took up his phone and checked on his Instagram, and also I just read few of the chat. So he was discussing among his friends how he's talking to some girl in his class, and they were asking him to send the messages to them. So I took him out for a walk, and I just tried to make him understand that these friends and everything who they ask you to do wrong things, they will not be a permanent people, right? So this can be, I told him indirectly that अगर आप किसी से बात कर रहे हो and your friends are asking you to share the chat, then what will happen is ना, अगर वो आपके friend के ही पास जाके बता दें कि the XYZ is sharing the chat, then it will be a cyber kind of a thing, wrong thing also you're doing. प्लस तुम्हारी, आई टोल्ड हिम इनडायरेक्टली कि तुम्हारी दोस्ती भी खराब हो सकती है विद दैट गर्ल.
तो
थोड़ा बहुत समझ
ब्लूटूथ
गया.
कहाँ पर है?
थोड़ा सा मुझे ये लगा कि
कोई सॉरी मैं कल ढूंढ रही थी, एक भी नहीं मिला मुझे।
talk like friends. I have explained them everything about being physical with somebody, how mistakes can happen, and everything we have discussed. But still, you know, I have certain fears that because now it is their age which can help in making their career. So even if they'll shift the focus now, that will be a complete wrong direction. तो
इसका नाम
थोड़ा
वन
सा
प्लस
भी
बुलेट्स है।
थोड़ा सा भी अगर स्विच होता है, क्योंकि बच्चे का क्या है ना कि अगर आप मुझे ऐसा फील होता है कि अगर वो जिस चीज से उसको हमें पता है कि वो गलत है, हम ये चीज अपने अपने टीनेज में देख चुके हैं कि एक अंदर से किक होता है कि जो चीज आपको बोली जाती है कि वो गलत है, तो आप कहीं ना कहीं फॉर वंस यू वांट टू ट्राई दैट. तो this is the only thing कि if I keep on telling them, this is not right thing to do, what if अगर कोई उसको try करने के लिए बोल दे ये चीजें. That's what.
Right. Great. Anybody else?
I feel to talk about sex or drugs is still a taboo in our society. To talk it out openly, at least in our times, it was too much, but now the society has changed. And still, I feel it's difficult to talk loud on this
Yeah.
in particular. Like, be open to your children about it. But some parents I've seen, they're quite open, and I just visualize how the atmosphere at the house will be.
All right, I'll share that with you.
Yeah, I know you are. I've heard you once, and you are quite open. That's why I've joined your chat today.
Got it. Got it. Anybody else? Anybody? One more person beyond what Nidhi shared or Kiran has shared. Anybody else who wants to add to this? क्या लग रहा है? क्या हो रहा है? What has brought you here? What are the fears? What is the anxieties? What are the questions you have?
One thing I would like to share.
Okay.
My daughter's in Dubai, and she has 2 daughters. And openly she talks about your boyfriend and this and that. They're very small, like just started going to school. And I got flabbergasted. I said, what are you saying? Why are you telling them all this and this? I said, Mom, it's like that, it's like that over here. Then, I approached a few people, asked, and I felt that I was really behind time.
How old are they?
One is 6 years and another one is 4 years.
That must be shocking.
They are too young.
Yes, it was shocking to me.
Right.
Take them. Hang on.
Yeah.
Hang on. Let's wait for it. So we have a couple of more minutes to do this. Anybody else wants to add to this list here? And by the way, my request is like, please switch on your videos and audios. Otherwise, sirf baith ke dekhna. It's not easy doing these webinars at sitting at home because there's a lot of disturbance around. So my request is be here. And I can tell you one thing, guys. This is serious. We have no idea of the extent of the damage which is happening to your child. And I'm using the word your child because I think we should sit back and talk about our own child. We should not look at the society as a whole. Society में हो रहा है, फर्क नहीं पड़ता है पड़ोसी के बच्चे के साथ क्या हो रहा है, किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. फर्क तब पड़ता है जब अपने बच्चे के साथ होता है. My request to you is next 1.5 hours, stop doing everything you have. अगर सोच रहे हो कि ये साथ में चल रहा है उसके साथ में कुछ कर लूं, सब बंद कर दो. I don't think there's anybody more important than your child to you, and we are talking about some serious stuff out here. COVID आके चला जाएगा, ये जो डैमेज कर जाएगा ना, ये irreversible है, and I'm talking about irreversible damage, and you'll be shocked at what I'll share with you today. So my request is be here completely. If you can switch on your videos, can बोले जा रहा हूँ बार बार, but please switch on your videos and audio so that we can talk and chat and really. And if you're not able to deal with this topic right here, with adults, with experts like us, फिर तो बच्चों से भूल जाओ मतलब. And if we are not talking to children, then guys, I don't think they have any other place to go to. So I may be sounding like warning you, but the situation is far worse than what I'm saying right now. Far worse. So
my major concern is like how to start the conversation or like how to speak to them. Like my daughter is very small right now, she's 11, but she's entering into that age now. And though we had a word about the menstruation cycles and everything, as I need to tell her about the same, so that was a very comfortable session for us. But when it comes to proper sex education or other things, okay, on an on and off mode, we generally casually we talk about like they are like, mama, she talks to that boy and this way, and these girls or these kids among themselves mean they are cooking something. Kai baar lagta hai ki these kids, they giggle or they mean at a glance na, lot many things happen into their eye contact only. only when the parents are sitting together. But how to initiate the same thing one on one as a parent and a child? This is my major concern because I need to start this thing now. So यही आता है कि what all topics should be covered at this age, because this thing in itself is so huge कि यार कहाँ क्या बताओ आप क्या नहीं बताओ, बच्चा कितना समझ पाएगा कितना नहीं समझ पाएगा. Then the cases that are being happening, like the latest one is that junior Shahrukh Khan. So I was like कि when my daughters sit there तो उसको मुझसे ज्यादा पता है because they are on a touch like a Google away, they know everything. I'm like मुझे भी नहीं पता है. So yeah.
11 is, you're saying too young. I'm saying 11 is too late. It's not late. It's far, far, far late.
Far late. So touchwood, I'll say कि I'm blessed that right now everything is under control. Then.
So by the way, let me tell you another shocker for you. You may not like what I say. Not knowing does not mean it's not happening. Let me share the details with you today. So let's quickly jump in rather than मैं सिर्फ बोलता रहूं. Let me just get into it so that you guys know what's happening around. So guys, very quickly, and I'm reiterating what I'm saying again and again and again. So this particular session is for a parent who really values values. We say we have a lot of values, Indian culture and that and go. But my request would be, we're talking about values in reality. Like you really value values. And you want your child to be happy, healthy, successful, and secure. Like you are really concerned and you want to make this happen. As I'm saying it again and again, every parent, I have not met a single parent. I've been doing this work for the last 12 years across the world. I've not met a single parent who doesn't say nahi chahiye. But you know what? The biggest mistake we all parents make, we all make. And my request would be, it will be reflective. So don't listen to this entire session, whatever I'm saying, from a perspective कि यार हम कुछ गलत कर रहे हैं. नहीं, मैं वो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. I want you to listen to this entire session as an awakening session, like wake up. So मैं ना alarm बजा रहा है. There's nothing wrong with the alarm. जब तक alarm बजता नहीं है ना हम सुबह उठते नहीं. So look at this session as an alarm clock for you, that the alarm is sounding and it's sounding loud. You need to wake up. If I ask a very stupid question, and my request is if you can use the chat box and just say, if I ask you a question, who's the most important person in your life? What would you say? Who's the most important person in your life? कौन होगा वो? या कौन होगी वो?
Children.
Sorry?
Children.
Absolutely. No parent would even say the spouse, by the way. चाहे spouse साथ बैठे हो. For both the spouses, the child matters the most, right? More than the spouse. But notice कि we say they matter the most, but just examine this question, and I don't want an answer to this. I want you to answer it for yourself. Are our actions, our communications, our conversations with them, are they communicating that they are most important? Is it communicating that in reality कि यार you matter the most? तो examine करना बहुत truthfully message करना, nothing right or wrong, but just get present. As I said, this is an alarm clock session for you. And then this is for a parent who really wants that the child is protected from this overexposure of social media, gaming, the sexual content, drugs, alcohol, depression, all of it, that you really want to make sure that your child is protected from all this. That is what it is. And my promise today is that these myths and facts will get broken. And you know, when a myth breaks, you don't like it. It's like somebody coming and telling you something about your life which was never, in your view, never true. Otherwise, something like coming to your house and saying, you are not, for example, you're not Renu, your ex. So all your life you've lived with a name, and somebody comes and says, Renu, ye tumhara naam hi nahi hai, tum kuch aur ho. that kind of a shock. And I'm taking Renu's name. It could be Neenu, it could be Priya, it could be Amrita, it could be Monica, it could be anybody. Like, just imagine somebody coming and saying that. How would you feel? That's how one feels when myths get broken. And then we'll give you certain tools that what do you need, how can you actually support your children from that. So before doing that, let me just tell you who you are speaking to, so that you know that it's not just another somebody just woken up ki chale yaar masti karte hain, kaam karte hain, but I want you to know who you're talking to today. So my name is Sushant and I'm the author of Perfect Parenting. This book was launched this year, actually should have been launched last year. I don't know if you know our former education secretary of this country, Mr. Anil Swarup. He's the most revered IAS in the last few years. He's the one who's written the foreword. He's the one who launched the book. And the only thing he had to say after reading the book, he said, "Yeah, mere ko kyun de raha hai? I'm retired and I'm a grandfather." He said, when I read the book, the only thing he said was, I should have read it 37 years back. Because his son is 37-year-old. Been invited to TEDx multiple times talking about sexuality. We launched a campaign called Aao Baat Karen, which is called Eradication of Child Sexual Abuse. We launched it in 2018 with this TED talk. There's a talk on failure as well, and there is one on how do we need to expand the measurement, the assessment of children in schools. And we all have been saying that marks are not enough for anybody to judge or evaluate or assess a person, a human being. So this is all about how can we expand it. And we do that work with the school where the assessment is not just about marks, it's all about his life skills and competencies. In the last 12 years, we won as many awards there could be in Best Parent Teacher Coach Award, the Education Innovator Award, the Courageous Class Awards. We are the co-founder of Pragyanam School, Gurgaon. That's where we're talking about that education is not just about academics and measuring the academics. How can you assess a child on various elements like his problem solving, his teamwork, his self-expression, his confidence levels, all that. And how can you focus as a school on these elements, not just on his marks in science and maths and history and geography. And we've been doing this work for the last 12 years across the world. So from parents of the Bhil community, the tribals of the Bhil community in Jodhpur, to American, Japanese, Chinese parents have done this program. And they very fondly call us their Masiha, specifically in the current times. And parents, I'll tell you one thing, it was far easier for our parents to raise us than it is for us to raise our children. The world out there is not easy. I remember one thing that, and you can notice it for yourself, the Hamare time pe, when we were small kids and we used to see some child or an adolescent, 11, 12, 13 years, smoking on the street. Any guy walking by, it could be a neighbor, it could be an unknown guy, would go to that child and say, "Beta mat kar." Can you relate to this? That at that point of time, anybody would say, "Beta, ye umar nahi hai, don't do this for you." Even it doesn't matter, he would still go ahead and they say that to a child. Do you think that will happen today? You know what is going to happen today? If you see a child smoking cigarette, what would a passerby say to him or her? Any idea?
Pollution.
Nothing, sir.
Pollution.
We are not meant to say anything.
नहीं, वो कहेगा ये सिगरेट खराब है, ये पुड़िया ले ले, this is better. और उस पुड़िया में वीड गांजा कुछ होगा. That's the status right now. They would say, अरे ये सिगरेट खराब है, ई सिगरेट ले ले, किसी को पता भी नहीं चलेगा, स्मोक भी नहीं आएगी, तेरे बैग में पड़ा रहेगा. Nobody will get to know. Do this.
Oh my God.
So वो situation है, and we think it's all fine. Okay, so that's where we are. So there is an intention for this particular session. We are here for just about an hour plus. I want you to understand the extent of the problem. Like, really wake up. And my request would be, please speak to parents around yourself. Everybody needs to wake up. This is not I do and I can save my child by doing it for me. It has to be the environment shifting. We need to understand the impact on children, the families, and the society at large. How there is a need to manage it, and it's a dire need. It's a make or break space right now. And then how can you manage it? So that's what the intention. There's a lot of work to do today. Just about an hour left. So what people just shared, I thought like there is, and I think 3 or 4 people who shared actually would have voiced everybody else's word name, everybody else's anxieties. Yeah, there is a fear of online exposure. There's too much of exposure. There is a fear of they getting into wrong habits, getting attracted. We've been through it. We know it's not an easy phase, and the amount of exposure, the amount of attraction for these stuff is humongous right now. How can we keep a check? They don't allow us to see their WhatsApps or Instagrams or anything else, or even their screens, by the way. And there is a fear कि यार अगर हम रोकेंगे तो फिर वो जरूर करेंगे. That's what adolescence is supposed to do, right? And somebody said कि one of the child is quiet and docile, तो मुझे उसकी फिक्र नहीं है. By the way, we don't know. We have no idea what's happening inside the child. So my request to that parent to just share this, or if you have one here, हाँ एक थोड़ा सा मेरे को मस्ती करता हुआ दिखता है, थोड़ा बदमाशी करता हुआ दिखता है, तो मेरे को उसका ध्यान रखना है, दूसरे वाले का फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. And the other thing is, अरे अच्छा, I have 2 boys, I have more problems. I have girls are easier to handle. Guys, wake up. There is no difference at all. What is the right age to talk about sex and sexuality? And as people are sharing it, and what I shared to Nidhi also, and I'm saying it to you, just think, हम जब बात करते हैं ना इन चीजों की, हमारे मुंह से वर्ड्स नहीं निकलते हैं. जब आप just आप सारे म्यूट पे हो, even in mute, just say the word sex. Just say it to yourself and listen to yourself and see how you go through, what you go through. आसानी से नहीं निकलेगा ये word. Yes, no.
Yeah, right.
Sex की बात कर रहा हूँ. So the way
Correct, right. We cannot say directly. I mean, definitely we'll not be able to say this word directly, right? Indirectly कहानियां बनाकर, examples देकर we can talk, but I'm not sure how to talk directly.
I mean, that might be because we are in a country जहाँ शुरू से ही ऐसा हुआ है. Like अभी जैसे उन्होंने बताया किरण ने कि her daughter is in Dubai and it is very common, and when her daughter is speaking to her granddaughters about boyfriends and all this stuff at the age of 4 and 6, which is very normal over there, but not over here. So maybe this could be one thing. Like if we try, तो we can get over it.
Rino कितना strange है ना? सबसे ज़्यादा populated country हमारी.
True.
सबसे ज़्यादा बच्चे हम पैदा करते हैं.
Exactly.
कामा सूत्रा हजारों साल पहले यहाँ लिखा गया था.
Yeah.
And we say कि यार हम लोग नहीं बात करते. The dichotomy of the whole.
Rather in every temple, like okay fine, maybe depends on person to person, लेकिन हर जगह it is very open. हमारे घर में तो ये होता है कि एक भगवान की इतनी पत्नियां होती थी, तब तो कुछ नहीं होता था, राजा इतनी रखते थे. आज कुछ होता है तो it's like, तो that is ठीक है. That is your mindset, but with kids it gets tough at times.
So let's really start doing this and really first get to know. Okay, so I'll tell you what, a lot of you do not know what is it. पहले तो हम बोलते हैं बोले कैसे. उससे पहले मैं आपको वहां लेके जाना चाह रहा हूँ कि बोले कैसे तो बहुत सिंपल है. बोले क्यों और एक्चुअली है क्या, we have no idea of it. So let's get into the facts first. So I'll go one by one. I'll talk about the facts about substance abuse, alcohol, and that first, and then go into sex education and sexuality data. Okay. Just look at these numbers, and these numbers are actually 3 to 4 years dated. ये सारा data जो है ना ये बहुत पुराना मिलता है. The real data, by the time these researches happen and by the time it gets open, the researches take about 3 to 4 years. So ये data ना 2016-17 का होगा. 3.3 million deaths happen because of alcohol every year. You know how many zeros are there in a million? 10 lakh. There's 33 lakh deaths. 33 lakh deaths. सुनते हुए कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, but 33 lakh. Imagine 365 days of a year. Divide this by 300. 10,000 deaths a day. How does that sound? And by the way, हमें लगता है कि ये अखबार में है. So these numbers will look like those numbers on the newspaper. But remember, for those people who are actually there, उनके लिए ना अखबार नहीं है. वो भी आपकी और मेरी तरह पेरेंट्स हैं. The person who's lost their child, he doesn't see it as a number. He doesn't see it as a percentage. For that person, it's the child gone. For that person, it's 100%. It's not 1%. 55,000 people get drawn into drugs every day in India. 55,000 per day. And the most vulnerable age is adolescence. 64% of drug addicts are actually people who started having it before the age of 15. And right now, adolescence does not set in at 13. 13 is not the teen. I keep telling people 10 is the new teen. 10. And we'll talk about why. Let's look at the extent of drug addictions in India. This is deaths because of smoking. India has obviously population सबसे ज़्यादा है तो percentage भी सबसे ज़्यादा होगी. We have the maximum fastest per capita alcohol consumption growth in the world. The growth of usage of alcohol is growing at it grew 38% in the last 4 years. 38%. And you know, 88% of youth, 88% of youth who consume it, it's actually illegal by law. And why I wanted to share this with you was that having laws does not work. Guys, my small request, if you are there, if you can mute yourself, if you're not speaking here, please अपने आप को mute कर लो, and you can unmute yourself when you want to talk to me. तो आपके साइड से बहुत noise आ रही है, I'm muting you again. Guys, all our children fall into this category of 88%. And when I say 88%, just imagine almost 9 out of 10 children who are consuming. It's actually illegal. And children currently, adolescents drink not to have fun. They actually drink to get drunk. Guys, I'm repeating it again. My request is, if you are on this, do not get into anything else. Just be here with me. These facts are not facts of anybody else, but these facts are facts about our own children. In India, 62.6 million people use alcohol. 8.75 million use cannabis. 2 million use opiates. Opiates is opium. And 6.6 million use sedatives. इसमें से 1/4 are people who may need urgent treatment. And you know, in our country, हम लोग इसको शेयर ही नहीं करते हैं. ट्रीटमेंट तो बहुत दूर की बात है. हम ट्रीटमेंट तक पहुंचते ही नहीं है. So really get present. And we do not have the infrastructure in our country to support the treatment also, let alone do something. And by the way, I've just put this slide here. Just want you to read a few words, okay? Drugs are not being talked about as drugs. Look at these words: rush, locker room, China white, horse, mud, yellow jacket. Speed, powder, lady, white, blow, flakes. Can you relate to these words as the words being used for drugs? Mushrooms. Yes, there are words which you can relate to drugs, but there are words on this list which you can't even think they are drugs. अगर वो बोल रहा है कि मुझे mushrooms चाहिए, या hearts, bumblebees, candy. Can you see that these words, when our children are using, anybody is using, you can't even understand what they're talking about? Can you get present to that? Yes, no? My request is keep putting it in the chat box, right? कि इससे कुछ present हो रहा है कि यार, these words, if they're being used, we have no idea of what exactly people are talking about. That's the reason I want to tell you that this we have no idea of. We are still doing it. And by the way, these are available on the net. I don't want you to go through these sheets, but these are screenshots of conversations happening on the net. कि कहाँ मिलता है, कैसा है, guys, I don't get it. How do I get it? And these are conversations, and they're saying, अच्छा, what is better? MDMA better है या कुछ और better है? And this is talking about how this is available. So my question to you guys, is it possible to control it through law? How many of you read the flyer which I had sent you? Delhi is world number 3 in terms of consumption of weed, and Mumbai is number 6. Consumption, Delhi or Mumbai is in top 10 cities in the world. And by the way, I hope you know that in Delhi and Mumbai, it's illegal. A country, this is illegal. Do you think the legal system can stop it? Yes, no.
No, not at all. Why would they be interested in anybody's personal life? They're just
Anybody's-
making money out of these. Why would they intervene?
But by the way, their children are also included.
They're okay. I'm not sure they were even aware about this thing that their own families are getting affected.
Exactly.
Right. They're not even aware about their own families. No?
Exactly. So a quick question. I don't know which city are you from? Which state are you from? Do you know what exactly is the legal age of drinking in your city, in your state?
I think it was 21 earlier, but I am not sure because I have seen.
Which country? Which city? Which
I think
state?
Delhi NCR. I think it has become 18 now, but it was 21 earlier as documented.
Okay. Okay. Anybody else for any other state, city wants to say something? Bombay से कोई है, कोई UP से है, कोई good. Anybody from Haryana out here, Gurgaon? What do you think is the legal age of drinking in Haryana? Anybody? What is the legal drinking age in Maharashtra? What is the legal drinking age in Bihar? Anybody? Just shout out. Don't worry, it's not about right or wrong. I just want to talk about it because this is, again, as I said, this is an awareness session. This is a session where we want people to just wake up. Anybody? Haryana ka kya hoga? If you want to put it on the chat box, you can. Haryana is 18, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anybody else? Mumbai is 25 for hard liquor. Great, Pooja. Thanks. And 21 years for what? Tachi said 21 years in Mumbai. Pooja is saying 25 in Mumbai. कौन सा वाला ठीक है?
यार लीगल एज से क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
Exactly. First is क्या फर्क पड़ता है? But why I'm asking this question is that, guys, we need to get aware. अगर हमें लॉ पता ही नहीं है तो लॉ को यूज कैसे कर सकते हैं? फिर हम कहते हैं लॉ ठीक नहीं है. अरे लॉ तो हमें पता ही नहीं है तो हम यूज क्या करेंगे? By the way, Gurgaon and Haryana is 25. You will be shocked. It's 18. It's 25. It's illegal to serve or sell to a child, to a human below 25. Delhi was 25 till about 3 months back. They've lowered it to 21. Bihar, by the way, it's illegal to drink.
Yeah.
Bihar is a dry state now. It's like it's abolished from there. So there are 3 states in the country where it's abolished. It's available full. The point is that we don't know. When we don't know, nothing is going to happen. That's the first thing. So we have no idea. People are doing it in front of us. Our children are doing it, and we have no idea. And by the way, let me tell you one thing. Legal is not equal to safe. It is not equal to safe. अभी बात चल रही है कि weed को legal कर दो. But will that make weed safe for our children, for us, for our body? The answer is no. So we confuse legality with safety. It's not. There is absolutely no relationship. all legal or illegal is a very, very commercial and very, very political answer. वोट मिलेंगे तो कर दो, और उससे एक्साइज और पैसे मिलेंगे तो इसलिए कर दो. The only reason Delhi government made it 21 from 25 was to earn more money. That's it.
Right.
अब वो चाहे कह रहे हैं कि हम दिल्ली के डेवलपमेंट के लिए कर रहे हैं और चाहे कर भी रहे होंगे, but what are we trying to do? We're basically saying I'll spoil you to make your life better, to good. And by the way, this is not based on anything about biologic, or so the people who are making this decision are not taking a decision based on how the human body works. They have no idea of the biology behind it. They have no idea about how it is damaging your body. It's a very commercial and a political answer. So I want you to quickly, I'll share a video with you right now. Just give me a second. I'll play this video for you, and you can see what kind of impact these substances have on your body. And by the way, when I say your body, I mean a human body. That could be a child, and that could be you and me too. So just give me a second. I'll play this and you'll exactly know. And by the way, this video talks about alcohol, all drugs, whether it is weed, whether it is ganja, whether it is heroin, whatever it is, all have similar impact. Drugs, the only thing is they impact faster. So if alcohol will take a week to do this, drug will take a day to do this. So here it is. Can you see can you see my screen?
Alcohol enters the body and ends up in the
stomach, at which point about 20% is absorbed immediately.
Could you hear it? Just want to check before I play it.
Yes, it's audible.
Okay.
It was there.
Sorry. Okay, here it is. Let me restart it.
Alcohol enters the body and ends up in the stomach, at which point about 20% is absorbed immediately, and the other 80% is absorbed in the small intestine. The heart then pumps the absorbed alcohol to every part of the body, including the central nervous system, which consists of the brain and spinal cord, and it gets to the brain really fast. So that's why even after just one drink, you can feel lightheaded or relaxed. Alcohol acts primarily on the nerve cells within the brain and interferes with communication between nerve cells and all other cells, slowing everything down. And that's why when we drink even a little, we experience the effects of alcohol on our emotions, judgment, balance, memory, speech, and anger levels, just to name a few. Did you know that your brain is still developing until you're around 20 to 25?
Did you get that? Till about 25, 23, 24, 25, your human brain is not fully developed.
So we need to be really careful because alcohol can do some irreversible damage to various parts of our brains. For example, drinking affects the cerebral cortex, which controls our senses, and inhibitory centers, which is why when you drink, you become more talkative, more self-confident, and less socially inhibited. It also controls our thought processes, so alcohol affects our ability to make good judgment or think clearly. The brain's frontal lobes are important for planning, forming ideas, making decisions, and using self-control. So when alcohol affects the frontal lobes of the brain, you may find it hard to control emotions and urges, and you may act without thinking, and even sometimes become violent or act completely out of character. Does this sound familiar? The cerebellum is important for coordination, thinking, and being aware. So again, you may have trouble with these skills when alcohol affects the cerebellum. That's why people affected by alcohol sometimes can't walk properly or lose their balance and fall. The hippocampus is the part of the brain where memories are made. So when alcohol reaches the hippocampus, you may have trouble remembering something you just heard, or even worse, have a blackout and not be able to remember what you did last night. If alcohol damages the hippocampus, you may find it hard to learn or remember things in the future. The hypothalamus is a small part of the brain that does an amazing number of the body's housekeeping chores. After a person drinks alcohol, blood pressure, hunger, thirst, and the urge to urinate increases, while body temperature and heart rate decreases. And finally, the medulla controls the body's automatic actions, such as your heartbeat. It also keeps the body at the right temperature. Because alcohol chills the body, drinking a lot of alcohol outdoors in cold weather can cause a person's body temperature to fall below normal. This dangerous condition is called hypothermia.
So guys, क्या समझ पाए? A few just switch on your video or like audio and you want to share it, and rest of you can put it on the chat. And this we are only talking about the impact on the brain. The other body parts, because when you're talking about it, it gets into the in your bloodstream the fastest, and the blood goes into every part of your body, every system of your body. And if you
As a parent, as a person, we can understand this. But when it comes to kids and especially their peer pressure, so this is our major concern, how to get. I mean, अगर आज ये वीडियो हम बच्चों को दिखाते हैं तो I don't think they'll agree. They are like, okay, fine. But when it actually comes to that partying or that peer thing, कि they are into their company, so they'll forget everything about this video कि ऐसा भी कुछ कभी देखा था. I mean, हम सबको पता है कि alcohol is not good from the very beginning. We know, but still everyone consumes it.
but
We can't keep control.
absolutely, you're right. So two things which you just mentioned. One, we know it's wrong and we've been knowing it for a long time. क्या करें? दूसरा,
क्या करें?
कि हाँ बच्चे समझ तो बोल तो जाएंगे, और लेकिन जब पार्टी होगी और जब peer pressure पड़ेगा तो फिर क्या करेंगे?
Exactly. And it happens like, I mean, not just with kids, but as a person with me, like I don't take, I know. And all when we are in a group, so all my friends or my family even, thoda sa le lo kuch nahi hota. But now after a long, it took me around 2 to 3 years to be very stubborn. Now they know कि यार कोई फायदा नहीं है इसको बोल के. I mean, now they have stopped. But that 2-year span was very tough. Even at some point, my husband was like, it's okay when you are in a party, तो थोड़ा सा ले लिया करो. But it is not that easy. And for a child, मतलब बच्चे के point of view से तो it is very easy कि they, मतलब दोस्तों ने बोला यार सब करते हैं, it is very common these days. Your family is doing it, घर में होता है. तो this is very tough. This is very tough.
Exactly, it is. So, what I want to
अब क्या?
exactly, can you say कि क्योंकि difficult है, क्योंकि हो नहीं पा रहा, चल छोड़ देते हैं?
बहुत strong determination चाहिए. This is what I said. ना, I mean, I know कि I have stuck to that values, but I can't expect my daughter or my son कि वो भी शायद follow करें.
I'm not asking this question to answer, okay? I'm asking you to just reflect for yourself. Is it tough? It is very tough. Very tough. Especially for alcohol and drugs. Very tough. It's all available. Children from class 6 to 7 are into it. If you really look at your movies, what are movies saying? What are songs saying? Hookah bar, 4 bottle vodka. Every song which is played, it is actually telling children and everybody around that it is great. Have fun doing it. It's only talking about great things about drugs and alcohol. Right? हमारे जमाने में भी ड्रग्स और अल्कोहल होता था मूवीज में, लेकिन एंड में ना वो विलन को मार दिया जाता था. वो ना बहुत बुरा दिखाया जाता था. अभी ना बुरा नहीं दिखाया जाता, अभी बढ़िया दिखाया जाता. So from a very early age, children are getting fed that it is great to have it. It's available all the time. So
ये देखो मम्मी, ये देखो.
Difficult तो है, लेकिन अब इसका क्या करें? Got it? Anybody else? What you got out of this? But Renu, एक चीज देखना. What this video showed you, it's a very old video. We all knew about it, but this video actually goes into the details of it. कि होता क्या है? And I can.
That is true. But बच्चों को दिखाएंगे तो बोलेंगे साइंस क्लास चल रही है.
अरे रेनू रुको यार. अगर आंसर्स आपके पास होते तो आप यहाँ नहीं आते. रुक जाओ. So get present to that we all didn't know about the reality till I showed you this video. कि actually क्या होता है हमें पता ही नहीं है. हम ये खराब है. जब बच्चा कहता है खराब क्या है तो हमारा जवाब नहीं है उसका. We don't have the answer. So guys, wake up. We need to have the answer before we give it. जब वो हमसे पूछते हैं क्या प्रॉब्लम है, मम्मी तो भी ले रहे हैं, डैडा पापा भी ले रहे हैं, ये भी ले रहे हैं, वो भी ले रहे हैं, हमारे पास उसका जवाब ही नहीं है, क्योंकि हमें पता ही नहीं है खुद, हमने वो काम ही नहीं किया है कि यार इसका एक्चुअल डैमेज है क्या. The people who are drinking, do they know exact damage? I can bet my life नहीं पता उनको. उनको पता है डैमेज है, उनको ये नहीं पता एक्चुअली क्या हो रहा है, नहीं पता. So we need to first get aware of it. That's the first step, and it's not the last step. It's just the first step. मैं कह रहा हूँ हमारे पास फर्स्ट स्टेप ही नहीं है, लास्ट स्टेप तो बहुत दूर है. हम कहते हैं लास्ट स्टेप बहुत मुश्किल है. अरे लास्ट स्टेप बहुत मुश्किल है कि पहली सीढ़ी जब तक नहीं चढ़ोगे तब तक सेकंड सीढ़ी पे नहीं पहुंच पाओगे. हम पहली सीढ़ी नहीं चढ़ रहे कि बहुत दूर है. अरे बहुत बढ़िया यार. So guys, wake up and start climbing the first step. Get to know what's there. It is super critical. और यहाँ पे कोई ऐसा एक पेरेंट बैठा है जो कहेगा कि यार ठीक है, बहुत मुश्किल है इसलिए छोड़ देते हैं. कोई बैठा है यहाँ पे? Anybody who says कि यार नहीं है ना? These are all, at least this group which is sitting in front of me right now today is concerned. That's why you're here. और इसका impact, मतलब I won't go into the slide, but does it impact their physical health? Yes or no?
Definitely yes, definitely they will help. First of all, तो जो major primary effect जो हमें दिखेगा visible, that is physical only ना.
Exactly, but physical बहुत 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 छोटा है.
Correct, right, true.
Mental health, the mood swings,
Right.
the depression, the anxiety, the violence. How many of you have been to a party, to a marriage, where you've seen people fight after being drunk?
I have seen many times.
All the time, every marriage, at least एक incident तो होता ही होता है.
Correct, right.
My nephew got married last night. I was in the marriage till about 2. I came back at 4:30 in the morning. You know, I went to the loo at about 2:30, and I was shocked. I'll just show you what I saw there. This, can you read it? No, you can't. ये पढ़ पा रहे हो? एक notice है.
No.
So let me read this. This notice was posted on the wall of the washroom. It says, notice, no drugs allowed in the premises. Any person found using drugs despite all warnings will be doing so at their own risk and will be held responsible and answerable to the government authorities directly. The farm and the management will not be held responsible for the same. Why do you think this poster is there in the loo? हो रहा होगा तभी है ना?
Absolutely.
Nobody will put a drugs का poster. I've never seen it. I was shocked. And actually, लोग मुझे देख रहे थे कि मैं लू गया हूँ और लू में ना वो उसकी फोटोज खींच रहा हूँ. मतलब it is so strange, and I'm going and clicking photographs in the loo. And I said tomorrow morning I have a session. How? Like it's a warning in a washroom of a public place. Can you know the extent it has gone to already? यहाँ थूकना मना है, वहीं लिखा होता है जहाँ पे लोग थूकते हैं, राइट? सिंपल है.
Correct. हाँ, that's what I said ना कि जब हम
मंदिर
बोलेंगे
की दीवारों पे नहीं
कि
लिखा होता
नहीं
है यहाँ
करना
थूकना
है
मना
तो
है.
क्यूरियोसिटी रहेगी कि ये क्यों नहीं करना है, करके देखते हैं.
And by the way, when your brain gets used to a level of alcohol to get fun, you know, when we get into a marriage or any function, people are not dancing at the start because the fuel is not ready.
हाँ, right.
उनको लगता है वो जब तक अंदर नहीं जाएगा तब तक मस्ती नहीं शुरू होगी. So it's very simple. So the brain is getting used to it. It causes hallucinations, mental illnesses. And by the way, socially, we've heard of the stories of Punjab. The entire village is being wiped out because of drugs. You need to get present, guys. Those are lives we are talking about. These are not news items. उस फैमिली के लिए वो न्यूज नहीं है, उस फैमिली के लिए वो बच्चे हैं, वो उनकी फैमिली है, वो उनकी लाइफ है. That's the level of damage which is happening out there.
Is mafia promoting all this?
Everything is, including our own children. You know, when they don't get money, it's very easy. Weed is available across. We've been doing work with schools. There's not a single school where we've gone where we haven't seen children having weed. Haven't seen one school in my entire career across the country, from a government school to the best of the Ivy schools in the country. अब वो मिल रही है और मेरे को मिल गई और फिर मैं आगे बच्चों को अपने फ्रेंड्स को दूंगा. I get money out of it. So if I need more pocket money, it's happening. Simple. And by the way, I was speaking to a person who's a senior guy in an alcohol beverage company, alcohol. And I asked him, yeah, how is it going? What's the competition like? He said the competition is not with alcohol at all. Our competition is not with other alcohol companies. Our competition is with drug. कहते हैं कौन इतनी बड़ी बॉटल लेके घूमेगा? एक छोटी सी पुड़िया है वो जेब में रख के घूमता है, पता ही नहीं चलती, जब चाहे निकाला सूंघा खत्म हो गया. So our competition is not alcohol. Our competition is drugs. And it's growing in the fields. So guys, that's the reality. So जो इन्होंने बोला कि यार ये reality हम बोलेंगे बच्चों को कैसे बोलेंगे, चलते हैं उसके ऊपर. But मेरा सवाल पहले आप लोगों से ये है, क्या इस रास्ते जाना है या ये बोलना है कि नहीं चलते, मुश्किल है, नहीं होगा, जाना है इस रास्ते?
नहीं, मुश्किल हो चाहे आसान हो, जाना तो है ही. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि वी हैव टू वर्क ऑन दिस ना.
ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. नहीं, ऑप्शन क्या है?
ऑप्शन ही नहीं है ना.
How
तो ये
can
जो
you
जाना है
see?
या नहीं है, ये तो चॉइस ही नहीं है अभी हमारे पास.
Can you get present to that? I'm actually saying कि बस इसको present हो जाओ.
करेक्ट.
एक बार प्रेजेंट होंगे ना तब हम आगे जाएंगे. अभी हम उसको ना इग्नोर करते हुए आ रहे हैं. एंड I'm saying this which includes people like you. अभी तो बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो यहाँ तक नहीं पहुंचे, जो इसके बारे में कन्वर्सेशन नहीं कर रहे. आप लोग उस स्टेप को लेके यहाँ तक पहुंचे, इसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन लेने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हो. There are millions out here who don't even want to do that. But are they concerned about their children? The answer is yes. They are concerned about their physical, mental, emotional health. The answer is yes. उनसे पूछो कौन मैटर करता है? मेरा बेटा मैटर करता है, मेरी बेटी मैटर करती है. स्टेप, यार अभी टाइम नहीं है, अभी बिजनेस कर रहा हूँ, अभी ये नहीं है, अभी मेरी कॉल है, अभी मेरा ये है, मेरा ऑफिस है, आज मेरा शादी है, मेरी ये है या वो है. टेल पीपल यार, एक बहुत पुराने जमाने में ना, मैंने इसमें लिखा भी हुआ है, बट आई वांट टू शेयर इट राइट नाउ. एक ना बहुत पुराने जमाने में हम बचपन से एक चीज सुनते थे, पूत कपूत तो क्यों धन संचय, पूत सपूत तो क्यों धन संचय. एनीबॉडी हर्ड ऑफ दिस बिफोर?
A bit kind of in school
All
days.
of us read it in the school Hindi book.
Yeah.
Read भूल गए. हम जिस चीज के पीछे भाग रहे हैं, किसके लिए भाग रहे हैं? हम कहते हैं तेरे लिए कमा रहे हैं, तेरे लिए कमा रहे हो, पहले तेरे के ऊपर तो फोकस कर लो यार. We really need to make this effort, and it is humongously difficult. Even after you having the conversation I'm talking about, will it happen? I'm not sure. But is there any other way out? Absolutely not. The only way to fight this menace is by educating yourself and your child. The only way. और कोई तरीका नहीं है. Law will never stop it. Being a monitor is impossible. I was trying to figure out. Has anybody seen a vape? Has anybody seen an e-cigarette? अगर नहीं देखा ना तो आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि वो e-cigarette है या वो पेन ड्राइव है.
Okay.
So I have seen children carrying e-cigarettes to school. उनके geometry box में वो पड़ा हुआ है. And anybody who would see would not know what it is, would see it like a pen drive, which is pretty normal to carry these days. Pen जेब में पड़ा है, it looks like a pen, but it's not a pen. They take it out in their classes, have a drag, keep it back because it's smokeless and it's smellless. The teachers don't know, the parents don't know. Wake up, we need to know. And by the way, रेनू एक चीज बताऊं, आप बोल रहे हो कि यार बच्चों को समझाना मुश्किल है. एक क्वेश्चन पे ध्यान रखना. Does your child want to damage himself or herself? Yes or no?
No.
Absolutely
No.
not. Absolutely not. Nobody wants to damage themselves. हम damage की बात नहीं करते हैं, हम कुछ और बात करते हैं. अच्छा नहीं है, मत कर, मत कर, मत कर. But भैया, do you want to damage? अगर आप बच्चों से पूछोगे ना, the answer is no. That's the start point of the conversation. तो start कैसे करें? पहले पता तो करो तुम करना क्या चाहते हो.
But then that is addiction. No, like people who are addicted, they know it's bad for them. They get into rehabs and all, and still at the end, वहीं पे घूम फिर के back to square one.
This cannot be done alone, really. This cannot be done alone. Impossible. Because the control goes to the brain. जब brain मांगती है ना, तो आप नहीं, एक छोटा सा example देता हूँ. How many of you have had popcorns while watching a movie?
Everyone, I guess.
True.
जब हम छोटे थे ना, पॉपकॉर्न का पैकेट इतना छोटा होता था,
Correct.
इतना बड़ा होता है.
Correct.
And
Tub.
It is being served.
They call it tub.
and by the way, have you noticed that till the time you last pick up the last popcorn, उसके बाद जो उसका बच भी जाता है ना चूरा, हम उसको भी चाटते रहते हैं, वो हम रोक ही नहीं पाते अपने आप. You see?
True.
That's just a bit of excess salt और कुछ नहीं है उसके. वो excess salt अगर आपके ब्रेन को कंट्रोल कर सकता है ना, सोचो ड्रग्स आपके ब्रेन को कैसे कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. आप रुक ही नहीं सकते. It's impossible.
True.
A small excess salt controls your brain. You cannot manage it. You and I who do not take alcohol, by the way, Renu, we can't manage it. So जो लोग alcohol लेते हैं या drugs लेते हैं, वो कैसे रोकेंगे जब brain मांगेगा? Possible नहीं.
True,
You cannot
true,
keep it alone. This needs help. हम बच्चे को बोले तू रोक ले, open hell नहीं होगा. Possible ही नहीं.
So is it like from the very beginning at this age when the kids are there, like they're small, we are starting with this conversation and everything. So it's like a strict no to this path, like this doesn't exist at all in your life. Because I have seen a mindset there, like there should be a balance. आप बच्चे के साथ रैपो ऐसी बनाओ कि वो openly आपसे डिस्कस करे. अगर आप उसके साथ ले रहे हो थोड़ा सा, तो at least they won't go on the wrong path. लेंगे लेकिन तरीके से लेंगे. मैंने कहा what is this? I mean,
So that's
this is also one mindset.
certain myths in. I'll move to the sex side of it, but let me just answer these few questions. अगर आप उनको रोकोगे और कंट्रोल करोगे, तो आपको बताएंगे नहीं.
Exactly. जरूर लेंगे.
वो भी नहीं, जरूर लेंगे का पता नहीं मुझे. बट अगर आप रोकना शुरू करोगे तो बताएंगे तो डेफिनेटली. सेकंड,
नहीं, वो निधि वाली बात है कि वो क्यूरियोसिटी बहुत बढ़ जाती है कि हमें मना किया जा रहा है तो क्या है, लेट्स गिव इट अ शॉट.
ऐसा क्या है जिसके लिए
guys, hang on. Please don't go into your old stuff. बोल रहे हैं myth है. I'm breaking a myth.
ओके.
बच्चों को आप बोलते हो कि यार तीसरे मंजिल से मत कूद, वो जाके एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं करता है.
बट एक्चुअली ये क्या है ना, मैं बताती हूँ, वो इसलिए नहीं करता है बिकॉज ये वो ऐसा फ्रीक्वेंटली होते हुए देख नहीं रहा है.
निधि अगर ये इतना सिंपल होता ना तो हमारे पास आंसर्स होते.
नहीं, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एन एग्जांपल कि अगर जैसे हमें बोला जाता है कि अगर हम नीचे कूदेंगे तो
डोंट.
ओके, नो, माय एग्जांपल वाज समथिंग डिफरेंट व्हाट आई वाज
मत
सेइंग.
दो यार, क्योंकि वो एग्जांपल से निधि सॉल्व नहीं हो रहा है, मैं इसलिए रोक रहा हूँ.
नहीं, आई एम नॉट गिविंग एनी एग्जांपल. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग, आपने बोला ना अभी कि अगर हम उसको 3 बार बोलेंगे कि वो ऊपर से मत कूदो तो वो नहीं कूदेगा. तो अगर हम उसको इस चीज के लिए क्यूरियोसिटी नहीं आएगी, वो इसलिए क्योंकि उसे लगेगा कि मेरी मम्मा तो मना कर रही है बट बाकी लोग तो कर रहे हैं ना. तो ऐसा क्या है जो मतलब सब तो कर सकते हैं, तो मेरी मम्मा को क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
क्योंकि हमने उसका डैमेज ना खुद पता है ना बताया है. निधि सिंपल.
हाँ, राइट.
लोगों के करने से नहीं होता है. सो गाइस वेक अप. मैं कुछ और समझा रहा हूँ, आप अपने पुराने तरीकों में जा रहे हो. तभी बोल रहा हूँ मिथ ब्रेक हो रहा है, समझो उसको. हमने आज तक खुद ही नहीं समझा है कि डैमेज क्या है. हमें नहीं पता. हमें खुद ही नहीं पता डैमेज. हमें कूदने का डैमेज पता है कि हड्डियां टूट जाएंगी या मर जाए, वो तो हमें पता है, हम बता सकते हैं. हमें अल्कोहल वीड का डैमेज ही नहीं पता. हमें उसकी एक्सटेंट ही नहीं पता. हमें पता ही नहीं यूजेज हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा. जब हमें नहीं पता तो हम बताएंगे क्या, और हम नहीं बताएंगे तो उनको पता कैसे चलेगा.
So true.
Who is teaching our children? Tell me, who is teaching our children about this? Tell me one person in your entire world. In your entire world, who's taught your children about sex? Who's taught your children about drugs? Who's taught your children about alcohol? Can you find one person?
Nobody.
जब है ही नहीं तो फिर हम बोल रहे हैं यार तू सीख नहीं रहा है. हम सिखा नहीं रहे हैं भैया. School doesn't talk about it. Adults can't speak about it. हम बोल ही नहीं रहे हैं और फिर हम कह रहे हैं बच्चा गलत कर रहा है. अरे उसको बताओ तो सही वो गलत कर रहा है. उसको पता ही नहीं है मैं गलत क्या कर रहा हूँ. पूछता गलत क्या है, हमें पता नहीं है. So what is required is really getting the knowledge across.
Yeah, right.
And at the right age. Not when they're 11, 12, 13, 14, when they've already tasted it, the brain is already gone. It's too late. Children are doing it at 7, 8, 9, 10. आपको लगता है जब ना एडोलेसेंस हो जाएगा ना तब शुरू करूंगा. भैया तब तक गाड़ी निकल चुकी है, वापस लाना पड़ेगा, which is far more difficult than starting it off. So guys, this is one. Second, let me quickly get into this stuff, which is again the other aspect of it. Can you read this? This is an actual account of a person, of a child. I became sexually active when I was 8-year-old. During my childhood, playing Doctor house games was very normal, which involved some form of sex. Kissing, touching, fingering each other, even having oral sex with each other. The only thing we didn't do was to have penetrative sex, which happened much later when I was only 14. Guys,
Right.
we've been counseling children for the last few months. We didn't used to do it far, बीच बीच intimately नहीं करते थे, but last few months we increased it because बच्चे ज़्यादा आने लगे और parents कर नहीं पा रहे हैं. I have 9-year-old child saying, "Sir, I've been having oral and anal sex with my friends for the last 2 years." I was shocked. I said, 9-year-old, is it biologically possible? अब क्या करूं? They're having sex on screen. क्योंकि मिल नहीं सकते तो क्या करें? Body मांग रही है, excitement है. harmless लगता है, problem क्या है? And I'm talking about 8-9-year-olds. And they're experimenting within families. 85% children, numbers say 53% of children experience sexual abuse. My personal experience is 85%. हम लोग कितने हैं? 24 people on this call. I'm just assuming everybody has 2 children. 48 children. Do you know what is 85% of 48? Almost 50. 85 आधा कर दो. 43 children whose parents are on the call have experienced sexual abuse. Notice how your brain just said, मेरे बच्चे के साथ नहीं हुआ. अगर आपके बच्चे के साथ नहीं हुआ और मेरे बच्चे के साथ नहीं हुआ तो 85% कौन है भाई? What are they watching on the screens? Who are they talking to on WhatsApp, Instagram, what we call Discord or whatever? Do you know who's sitting outside behind that name? Do you have any idea? Do they have any idea?
No.
Absolutely. What are they showing them? What is getting done? Are the videos on? Are they exposing your children to something? You have no idea. I have no idea. 3 महीने में पिछले साल फेसबुक में करीब 30 million sexual Facebook में, which is not a sex oriented place. 30 million content हटाया था अपने फेसबुक से. फेसबुक ने अपने आप, because that was inappropriate. In 3 months. हम कह रहे हैं कि talking about sex is a taboo. By the way, if your child is a virgin in class 10, that's become a taboo. उनके पीछे पड़ा जा रहा है कि तू बच्चा है, तू बेवकूफ है, तूने अभी तक नहीं किया. They are sexually active. You know, when a child goes to a doctor, to a gynae with having some problem, the first question a gynae asks them is, "Are you sexually active?" So guys, this is the reality of it. And by the way, did we miss this? Did we miss all these elements? A child wanting to spend more time alone in their rooms. Everybody's gone through it.
Correct. Yeah.
Everybody's experienced it.
No.
What is
Right.
happening? What is happening there? You and I have no idea. I'm not saying ye ho raha hai, but do you know we have no idea?
Yeah, we do not have actually. In between we can go and just check, but then also I'm not sure because we know our kids, but then also we are not aware what is being sent to them or किस चीज को expose हो रहे हैं. You never know.
आपने Instagram सुना, आप ना, why won't your children, by the way, my children also, why won't they want us to be on their Instagram? Why don't they friend us? They don't. जब भी आप चेक करोगे उनकी ब्राउजिंग हिस्ट्री खाली होगी.
They're very smart actually.
खाली का मतलब डिलीट करी जा रही है.
Deleted, right.
The minute you get into their rooms, it toggle their screens. चाहे वो पढ़ाई से YouTube कर रहे होंगे या फिर कुछ कंटेंट देख रहे होंगे या कुछ भी कर रहे होंगे.
Mm.
As soon as someone walks into the room, they toggle. There is a different uh, expression on the face as you walk in. Have you noticed that? Suddenly एक झटका सा दिखता है जैसे हम अंदर के रूम में वॉक करते हैं. कुछ तो हो रहा है यार. We have to get there. And I'm not talking about get there as a policeman. Policeman कभी नहीं पकड़ पाता है.
Correct, because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि if we'll just try to overstock them, they'll stop even sharing things, जो कि अभी वो कर रहे हैं वो भी नहीं करेंगे.
Possible नहीं है निधि. Possible नहीं है stop करना, because I'll tell you what, I personally know children whose parents have not given them phones, by the way. Yeah, मैंने उनको phone नहीं दिया. Very good. But I know the child not even has a phone. He has an iPhone. किसने दिया? Friends ने, सब ने मिलके पैसे इकट्ठे किए और उसको फोन दे दिया कि भैया कनेक्ट में नहीं है तो ऐसे मनी, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. So they've collected money, and this money is coming from somewhere.
Correct.
They always take their phones and gadgets to the washroom. And I'm not saying इसको रोक देना. By the way, जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, इसको अगर रोक दोगे ना तो कल से वो बात करना बंद कर देंगे आपसे.
Does showing a lot of trust in the kids regarding the same thing helps us out over here?
हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत करेगा, because अगर ट्रस्ट नहीं करेंगे ना तो इनकेस अगर
नहीं.
उनको कोई इशू फेस होगा, they will not share even.
Because मेरे साथ जैसे my daughter is अभी 11 and because she plays Scrabble a lot and they need a proper phone for that their online screening, तो मैंने उसको last year of जब ये online mode था, इनके सब tournaments online था, तो I gave her a phone कि उनका पूरा 6 hours वो block रहता है live उस पे. So many of my friends and my family themselves, they are like, तू पागल है, तूने 10 साल पे उसको phone दे दिया. I mean, I got a lot of, I can say, an opposition from my family and friends, this is wrong, you are giving her a phone. But I'm like, I know, I trust her, and my daughter knows this thing कि मम्मा जानती है. तो
एक क्वेश्चन आप सब लोगों के लिए. I think अभी सिर्फ रेणु और निधि ने सब डिस्कशन करा. I don't know what's happening to the other people. I hope they're also online and listening to this. हम सिर्फ तीन
बहुत लोगों से सुना ये चीज.
रेणु एक क्वेश्चन है आप लोगों के लिए, ओके, सब के लिए. हम लोग ये बोल रहे हैं कि यार हमें ट्रस्ट करना है. I'm again asking you not to answer this question, but do it for yourself. And it's a very, 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 very confronting question which I'm asking you, and very simple question. Do you really trust them?
Yeah, I do.
एक सेकंड निधि, इतनी जल्दी मत बताओ.
नहीं, because for my son I can say, because
निधि मत जवाब दो यार. जवाब देने के लिए नहीं बोल रहा मैं, रिफ्लेक्शन के लिए बोल रहा हूँ. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा आप राइट हो मैं रॉन्ग हूँ. मैं वहां I want people to reflect on this question.
correct.
Are you really trusting? जब वो वीडियोस पे होते हैं और आपका मन कर रहा होता है कि यार मैं इसकी ब्राउजिंग हिस्ट्री देख लूं, मैं देखूं तो सही वो कहाँ जा रहा है, मैं देख लूं, you know, that is not trust. When you can see together, when your mind goes कि मुझे पता लगाना है, that's not trust. Notice it. और जब हम बोलते हैं बच्चे को और वो बच्चा हमें देखता है कई बार उसका फोन पड़ा हुआ है या वो पड़ा हुआ है, हम जाके देख लेते हैं, you're actually breaching trust. हमें लगता है हम ट्रस्ट करते हैं. And by the way, I am sharing all this stuff because as a parent, it's a very difficult line to walk on. ट्रस्ट बोलते हैं, बट जब ये छोटी छोटी चीजें सटली कर देते हैं ना, तो हम कम्युनिकेट करते हैं कि हम तुम्हें ट्रस्ट नहीं करते. फिर हम कहते हैं नहीं ट्रस्ट कर रहे हैं लेकिन तुम्हें हेल्प कर रहे हैं. अरे यार हेल्प कर रहे हो तो हाथ पकड़ो ना, पीछे से क्यों देखने की कोशिश करते हैं. डिफिकल्ट है, आई कम टू इट कैसे करना है, बट नोटिस इट. They're spending lot of time in the washrooms. They're taking their gadgets to the washroom. हमारे दिमाग में जब ये चीजें देखते हैं, क्या हमारे दिमाग में खड़कता है? These are indications. We need to talk. We don't need to control. We need to talk. We need to communicate. We need to be together with them. उनको बचाना है तो उनको साथ लेके चलना पड़ेगा. आप उनको कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते, मैनेज नहीं कर सकते, रोक नहीं सकते, पॉसिबल नहीं. अगर आप अपने घर पे वाईफाई भी हटा दोगे ना, तो आपके बच्चे आपसे इतने ज्यादा स्मार्ट हैं कि पड़ोसी का वाईफाई क्रैक कर लेंगे. 5 मिनट लगेंगे उनको उसको करने में. आप गैजेट नहीं दोगे ना, उनके फ्रेंड्स दे देंगे. So don't even think that as a policeman, as a parent, as somebody who can control this. This is not controllable. You have to be with them, walk it with them, walk it with them. And walking with them begins with talking with them. You can't walk without talking with them. It's impossible. क्योंकि प्राइवेसी है. सो एक सवाल पूछता हूँ बेटा, मैं आपको कुछ इंक्लिंग्स देता हूँ. क्या हमने बच्चों को, कितने लोगों ने ये करने दिया था अपने बच्चे को? टेल मी, एनीबॉडी ऑन दिस? एंड माय रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ द पीपल इज, all other people, please answer this question. How many of you let your child walk, run on the stairs जब तक उनको चलना नहीं सीखना है? हमने उनको पता है भाग लिया, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? हमने जाने दिया था स्टेयर्स में, राइट? Anybody who let their child on the stairs?
No.
Then I was along with them, like following them step by step. Okay, fine, chalo. Otherwise, तो
मतलब
all
एक
barriers.
पैर उतारा था मैंने, मेरे को याद है यार, मैं पैर पकड़ता था उसके सामने खड़े होकर कि अच्छा अब ये पैर रखा, अब ये पैर रखा, अब ये पैर रखा, और ये
शांत
दिनों
रहो।
दिनों 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 तक किया था. जब लग गया था कि हाँ अब चल पाएगा स्टेज पे, फिर छोड़ा था.
So Shant sir, it's not always ki we can be, our eyes can be just behind them. So I remember when my daughter used to crawl, तो वो stairs खुद चढ़ाई थी, and then I was amazed कि गिर जाती तो क्या होता. So it's not कि my eyes can always follow them.
आईज आर नॉट
possible
फॉलोइंग.
ही नहीं
मैं
है.
आईज की बात नहीं कर रहा, मैं ट्रेनिंग की बात कर रहा हूँ. डिड वी ट्रेन देम? डिड वी लर्न दैट कि यार कैसे करना है? डिड वी डू दैट? डिड समबडी डू दैट विद हर? डिड यू?
No, I did not.
डिड यू लेट देम जंप इन द पूल? बच्चे जब पूल पे लेके जाते हैं ना, वो सब खुश, और ये सब कर रहे हैं, मैं भी कूदता हूँ. कूदने दिया था? जा कूद जा बेटा.
नहीं.
नहीं कूदने दिया था ना.
Stop it.
हम साथ उतरे थे. I'll tell you my personal example. I hate swimming. I hate it like anything. I know how to swim, but I hate it. तो मैं सिर्फ पूल में तब उतरा था जब मैं अपने बच्चों को स्विमिंग सिखाने के लिए उतरा था. उनके साथ उतरा जब देखा कि यार फ्लोट कर पा रहे हैं, फिर बाहर आके बैठ गया. Did we handle and let them fool around with a knife as a toddler? ये ले यार कुछ नहीं होता. Did we let them use the fire in the kitchen before they actually learned how to manage it? चल यार आगी तो है, हम तो चला ले, तू भी चला ले, चक्कू तो उठा ला. किया था किसी ने?
No,
किसी ने नहीं किया,
no.
because this is dangerous.
No.
Exactly.
But जो बातें मैं सुबह से कर रहा हूँ, whether it is exposure to sexuality, whether it is exposure to drugs or alcohol, हमने ये सारा एक्सपोजर भर के उनको होने दिया है. Don't take it as a blame. The environment we thought कि 20 साल पुराना है, वो नहीं है अभी. हमारा जमाने में हमारे को एक्सपोजर मिल गया था, 16, 17, 18 साल की उम्र में मिल गया था, फिर भी हम उसको भी नहीं संभाल पाए थे. बहुत सारे हमारे फ्रेंड्स उसमें फिसल गए और हम भी ऑलमोस्ट फिसलने वाले थे जो बच गए. Imagine that exposure is getting to our children at the age of 2, 3. कब सुना उसने छोटी स्कर्ट में ये लगती मैनू, 4 बॉटल वोडका? ये गाने हमारे बच्चों ने कब सुने, कब देखे? Which TV serial, which movie which they watched does not have drugs, sex or alcohol? In the last 10 years, 15 years, कौन से मूवी में, कौन से सीरियल में ये नहीं है? कौन से घर में ये नहीं है? बार्स नहीं है. कौन सी पार्टीज में ये नहीं हो रहा है? यही गाने चलते हैं, यही बार होता है, सब मस्ती करते हैं, सब पी रहे होते हैं. हमने ये एक्सपोजर दे दिया. बात करी, 0. और अभी भी नहीं कर रहे, अभी भी कह रहे हैं रोक लेते हैं यार, पियर्स हैं, पियर्स हैं, पियर्स हैं, पियर्स हैं. भाई तो पियर्स कौन है? आप सबके बच्चे मेरे बच्चे के पियर्स हैं, और मेरे बच्चे आप बच्चों के पियर्स हैं. पियर्स यहीं तो बैठे हैं यार, और हम कह रहे हैं उस बच्चे से बचा लो, उस बच्चे से बचा लो. बाकी भाई तो भाई उस पेरेंट को जाके पूछो, वो भी यही कह रहा है. वो पेरेंट भी यही कह रहा है कि मेरा बच्चा गलत संगत में पड़ गया. ये गलत संगत है कहाँ यार? हमारे अलावा है कौन? Society is that good. So guys, what needs to be done? Super critical. We need to train our children through this. There is no other way. We need to learn, they need to learn. इसके अलावा कोई तरीका नहीं है. This has to get, if you really ask me, the best solution is that this needs to get into the education system. हम उसको पाइथागोरस सिखा रहे हैं, जो पाइथागोरस शायद वो जिंदगी भर सॉल्व नहीं करेगा, यूज ही नहीं करेगा, उसमें सालों साल लगा देंगे. लेकिन ये जो उनकी लाइफ डिपेंडेंट है, उसके बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे. So we'll come to the education system. We can blame the education system. We said जब भी करेंगे, डालेंगे, डालते हैं. So my request is, guys, you are the parents. You started getting aware of it. Let's talk to your children. Let's talk to your schools. Go talk to your schools. Say कि boss, include this in your curriculum.
At the end, it is left on the parents only. Like this is.
I know, Renu, देखो हम वहाँ बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है. मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि take the support. Start talking about it to your schools. Parents school को बोलेंगे तो उसको करना पड़ेगा. But you and I cannot wait for the school to do it.
True. Our school forward us your webinars link ना कि there's a webinar.
हमें तो अपने बच्चे के लिए करना ही पड़ेगा यार, because school is not responsible for our children's health and well-being. They are a partner, sure, but responsibility prime हमारी है यार, उनकी है, अपनी है. So ना दो choice हैं आपके पास. So मैं दोनों choices अभी देता हूँ. एक है यार कि हम इन बच्चों को इस चीज के लिए empower करें, पार्टनर करें. ये कैसे करना और एजुकेट करें. और इस कॉन्वर्सेशन, दिस इज नॉट अ वन टाइम कॉन्वर्सेशन, दिस हैज टू कीप गोइंग ऑन एंड ऑन एंड ऑन एंड ऑन एंड ऑन. एंड दूसरा है कि भैया जिस तरीके से चल रहा है ट्राई करते रहें और प्रे करते हैं कि यार मेरे बच्चे के साथ ना. somebody asked me क्या करना है, मैं कहूँगा भैया देखो बात सुनो, मैं अपने बच्चों के लिए तो बात करूंगा और रोज बात करूंगा, रोज. I spoke to my daughter and my son about premarital sex when she was just about 11. हम premarital sex की बात करते हैं उसके 11 साल की उम्र में. तो उससे पहले क्या क्या बातें हो चुकी होंगी, वो बातें हो चुकी होंगी. We went out for a holiday together on a dinner on a breakfast table. 4 of us were talking about what are our views about premarital sex. And talking to an 11-year-old and a 15-year-old brother कि यार होता क्या है, तुम्हारे दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है, क्या बातें हो रही है, मेरा ये चल रहा है, तुम्हारा ये चल रहा है, तुम क्या सोच रहे हो, मैं क्या सोच रहा हूँ. Do you think there's an option not to do it? Sorry boss, we are living in 2021. It's not 1990s or 60s, 70s when we were born. It's not. You and I do not have an option. हम कह रहे हैं सीखना पड़ेगा, बिल्कुल सीखना पड़ेगा, कोई और तरीका है नहीं. हमारे टाइम पे सेलफोन्स नहीं होते थे, अब आए हैं. क्या हमने सीखे? बिल्कुल. हमारे बिजनेसेस में लैपटॉप्स यूज नहीं होते थे, क्या हमने अभी सीखे? बिल्कुल सीखे, बिकॉज उसके बिना काम नहीं चल सकता. तो उस एरिया में सीख लिया, तो इस एरिया में प्रॉब्लम क्या सीखना? Why can't we learn this? We need to learn, otherwise it's going to the dogs. And I'm really, guys, I'm talking about your children, my children. So this is what I have to offer you कि यार करना क्या है, कैसे करना है. I as a father was very clear, and I'm right now not talking like a coach but like talking like a father कि यार ये चीज के लिए बाकी लोग करें ना करें, स्कूल करें ना करें, मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे तो करना है. और मुझे इसके बारे में रोज ओपनली बात करनी है, समझना है, बात करनी है, देखना है, उनको समझाना है, उनको डैमेज से बात डैमेज के बारे में बात करनी है, डैमेज से क्या हो सकता है उसके बारे में बात करनी है, उससे कैसे अपने आप को रोक सकते हो उससे बात करनी है, पीयर प्रेशर से कैसे बचना है उसकी बात करनी है. When they go out, will they be pressurized? The answer is yes. But can I be talking to them कि ये होगा, कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करना है, और अगर कुछ होता है तो मेरे से बात करनी है, और उस लेवल तक ट्रस्ट लेके जाना है कि यार whatever happens, they will come to you and tell you, versus you spying on them. हम बोलते हैं ट्रस्ट, बट हम ट्राई करते हैं स्पाइंग का. बाय द वे स्पाइंग ना दुश्मन के साथ होती है सिर्फ, and we communicate that. We only spy our enemies. We don't spy our own loved ones. So guys, this is the game. So what we are trying to do is here. So now we will break the we will want to do, and by the way जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ आपको कि आपको अभी अगर मैं आपको सिखाऊं, and by the way why we've come up with this whole thing is we've been training parents and teachers for last 10 years now. यार ड्रग्स के बारे में, अल्कोहल के बारे में, सेक्स के बारे में बात कैसे करेंगे? But to my shock, even after conducting those training, parents उस लेवल पे बात नहीं कर पाते, because this what Renu and Nitish been saying कि जैसे ही हम बात करते हैं ना वहां से एक दरवाजा बंद हो जाता है. Nothing wrong with it. हमारे तरीके ठीक नहीं पड़ रहे थे या उनको लगा कि माँ बाप हमें रोकने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं इसलिए दरवाजा बंद. So this whole thing was designed to make sure that Parvarish is there for you to support making this happen and then getting you together. तो पहले था क्या, पेरेंट्स को बता दो, पेरेंट्स कर लेंगे, we said okay fine, let's talk to children, let's talk to parents and then get them together. So where this space gets created at home जहाँ पे इन चीजों की बातें हो पाए. जब आप बात करो तो बच्चे प्रिपेयर्ड हैं और बच्चे बात करें तो आप प्रिपेयर्ड हो और फिर आप एक दूसरे से बात करें. And it's very critical because not because हम information different होगी 8 से लेके 17 तक, no. Does an 8-year-old need to know everything about sex? I'm saying Renu पूछती क्या, everything about sex, including how our baby is made. This needs to be taught to a child at 8. And why? Because the exposure is getting there faster. What do you think? जो हमारे एड्स आते हैं, जो न्यूज में देखते हैं, जो वो मूवीज में देखते हैं, the words like condoms, the word like sex, the word like spending a night together, ये जो मूवीज में है, सॉन्ग्स में है, जब ये सामने स्क्रीन पे आता है, do you think your child has a question? अरे इसका मतलब क्या होता है? आता है उनके दिमाग में वो क्वेश्चन? Yes, no. Guys, people on the chat, please. आता है ना?
Yes. Definitely not asking us.
क्वेश्चन आ रहा है.
It is just a Google away.
तो कहाँ जा रहा है ये सोचो.
They are not asking us.
Where are they asking?
Google Devta, everything is there.
So just try आज सेशन के बाद try googling condoms. Just try. See what will open up. अगर वो खुलेगा एक बच्चे के पास, यार क्रिकेट देख रहा हूँ, क्रिकेट देख के सडनली ऐड आ रही है कॉन्डम्स की, एंड कॉन्डम इज नॉट अ सिंपल, जैसे हमारे टाइम पे निरोध की कोई ऐड आती थी कि 2 फूल दिखा दिया और छोटा सा वो दिखा दिया, पता ही नहीं चला हमें. अभी एड्स आर वेरी एक्सप्लिसिट. जब वो एड सामने आएगी, एक क्वेश्चन आएगा, क्वेश्चन जाएगा गूगल में, और वो कंटेंट जब एक 3 साल 4 साल 5 साल 6 साल 7 साल के बच्चे को हिट करेगा, वेयर विल दे गो? Will they come to you? No, they can't. Suddenly it will be so shocking for them. And once they've gone there, those sites will track your child automatically. They don't have to go anywhere. It will ping them all the time. These are being developed on artificial intelligence by people who know child psychology far more than you and I. They know how to entice our child to do that because that makes business for them. लैपटॉप तभी बिकेंगे, फास्टर तभी बिकेंगे जब बच्चा इन सबको डाउनलोड करेगा. सो वो क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं, वो कहाँ जा रहे हैं पता नहीं. सो व्हाई वी ब्रेकिंग अप इनटू, बिकॉज़ एन 8-year-old child will not be able to sit with a 17-year-old child. That's the only reason we are saying that. 8 साल का बच्चा ऐसा लगेगा, बच्चा बैठा हुआ है, 17 साल के बच्चे के सामने उससे बात करेंगे तो कहेगा यार मेरे से बात कर ले, उससे बात करो. That's the reason we are trying to break this up. So we'll do, what our plan is that we will do two dialogues with your child in similar kind of groups, smaller groups, where 2 sessions will be talking about sexuality, sex, and how do you give that to your child and give them the space to talk, so that they can talk, they can ask, and we can talk to them about all about sexuality and sex to them. 2 sessions, and 2 sessions on drug abuse and sex and alcoholism. What is the impact? How do you stop yourself? How do you talk? Why should you talk to your parents about it? हम worried हैं, sure, but when we do that with our children, what happens is worry के साथ ना बहुत सारी anxious, anxiety, बहुत सारा गुस्सा, बहुत सारा frustration वहाँ चला जाता है और फिर communication बंद हो जाती है. They don't get कि our parents want us safe. वो लगता है parents को ना हमें रोकना है. हमें लगता है यार दारू से ना बहुत मस्ती चल रही है बाहर, मेरे पेरेंट पागल हैं जो रोक रहे हैं, वो मेरे को मस्ती नहीं करना देना चाहते. हम मस्ती नहीं की बात नहीं करते, हम उनकी हेल्थ की बात कर रहे हैं. हम उनकी mental, emotional, social health की बात करें. That's the communication which is not happening between you and your child. So preparing them and then giving them a weekly discussion forum where it's not about क्या session कर दिया, वो 1, 2, 3, 4 हफ्ते, that 1 month we want to be with them for them to ask any kind of questions and queries so that उनके दिमाग से निकलना शुरू हो. That's the whole idea, by the way. तो एक छोटा सा सवाल आप लोगों के लिए, can we afford not to give this information, not to give this knowledge, not to give these skills? By the way, how to manage peer pressure is a skill. Every initiation, whether it is on sexuality, whether it is on sex or drugs or alcohol, starts with एक से कुछ नहीं होता, मैं कंट्रोल कर लूँ, मैं मैनेज कर लूँ, अरे मैं बहुत स्टाइल. हर ड्रग एडिक्ट वहीं से स्टार्ट होता है, हर सेक्स एडिक्ट वहीं से स्टार्ट होता है. यार एक ही बार है, मेरे कंट्रोल में है. और फिर वो जब पसंद आने लग जाता है, वो 1 से 2, 2 से 3, 3 से 4, 4 वाला भी बोलता है मैं कंट्रोल में हूँ, देख मैं पी रहा हूँ लेकिन मैं एकदम सही हूँ. उसको नहीं पता चल रहा कि बॉडी में जो डैमेज हो रहा है वो हो ही रहा है. It's not going anywhere, it's still damaging. So how do you stop yourself? What does it require? It requires skills, it requires training. Won't happen overnight. So this is what it is, guys. A question, what is it worth? My request to all of you would be, do not listen to this as a sales talk. This is not a sales talk, this is something which we have to do for our children. What is the worth of your child's physical, mental, emotional health? What is the worth of the frustration, the anxieties you have for your child? क्या worth है यार वो? Imagine the parents whose children are in de-addiction centers. What kind of money, what kind of time, what kind of effort, what kind of mind share are they spending today? Do we want to go there? I don't. So guys, ये जो ना हम individual support करते हैं बच्चों को individually, and this is what we've been charging the children who come for individual support. So what we have designed right now for you all is something which can happen in a group of about 8 to 10 children together. Creates a lot of value because they start talking to each other in front of each other and everybody start to talk. So this whole 1 month support structure where we are talking to them about sex and drugs, telling them what is the damage, how do you need to speak to your parents, how do you need to speak to your spouses, to your peers, how do you manage it for yourself, the knowledge, the skills of it. The entire 1 month support structure is 14,999, which includes GST, which is about 18% of it. So the landing cost is about 12,000. At one level, you may say this is high, bahut zyada hai ye. My request is, this is less than what we pay for 1 month of their fees in the school. Is my child's health worth it? I want to reach out to every child if possible. My request would be, what the people who are here, I don't want you to stop at your children, because जब तक उस पूरी environment को impact नहीं होगा ना, it will not be easy for our children. And we have to make sure that children start taking control of it. हम कब तक हैं उनके साथ हमें नहीं पता. The last 1.5 years of COVID has proven कि हमें नहीं पता हम कब तक हैं उनके साथ. I'm sure each one of us here would have experienced losing out people from our close friends and families in the last 1.5 years. I want to make sure that my child knows how to manage it before I go. And I don't know where I'm going. So this is what we want to do today. But because you guys have come here and taken this time out, I want to make a special offer for you guys. If you register now, that is till tomorrow. This is the total price right now. entire 1 month in less than 10,000 bucks. And provide your support for that month for your child to really pour him and her out to speak out in a very safe space, to talk, to chat, to clarify each and every query. A lot of you may feel it's not worth it. Choice is yours. So I'm not here to sell this program. I'm here to sell. I'm here to talk about a relationship. I'm here to talk about your child's health, well-being. And not just yours. My request is please spread it out. It needs correction at a very high level. Very high level. And by the way, not taking too much of time here, want to give you something as a bonus along with this today, like a real bonus, which is this. Post these sessions, we would have 2 sessions with you guys. And my request would be please bring in your spouses along. This comes as a complete bonus where we would want to talk to you about what did we speak and how did we speak to your children, and how you can keep being that support structure for them, like this family being the support structure. As I said here, this is not a one-time exercise. I spoke to my children about sex and sexuality and drugs when they were 8-year-olds. They're right now 21 and 15. They're a couple of generations back. This generation needs faster, but even at that point of time, and are we communicating with them? If I tell you, not less than a week, at least once a week, हमारी इस बारे में बात होती है. And it's not about controlling, it's not about managing, it's all about knowing what's going on in their world. उनके फैमिलीज में क्या हो रहा है, उनके फ्रेंड सर्कल में क्या हो रहा है, उनके ऊपर कैसा प्रेशर आ रहा है, उनको क्या फील हो रहा है, वो कैसे रोक रहे हैं, कैसे नहीं रोक पा रहे हैं. All of that needs to be talked about. So what I'm offering to all of you is that along with those 4 sessions with your children, we would be having 2 sessions with you, one on sex education and one on drug abuse, in more detail, in talking about how to talk to them, how to support them once their communication has happened. And actually, if you really ask me, what I want to do in these sessions with the parents is have the child along. That's what my endeavor is right now. So in those 4 sessions, after speaking to your own children and taking them through it, we want to reach a level that we are able to do the last 2 sessions together as a family, so that you are able to speak out in front of them and they are able to speak out in front of them. Just imagine 1 minute के लिए. आप लोगों से 1 second पूछूं. My request to all of you is to participate in this question. Just imagine एक space अगर 1 महीने के बाद, सब 1.5 महीने के बाद बन जाती है, जहाँ पे आप and your child, your girl, your boy, whether they are 8-year-old or 10-year-old or 15-year-old or 20-year-old, they and you are able to communicate. जहाँ पे बात हो रही है, आप बात कर रहे हो, आप शेयर कर रहे हो, वो शेयर कर रहे हैं, सब हो रहा है. About drugs and sexuality and alcohol. Responsible conversations happening. झगड़े नहीं हो रहे हैं, बात हो रही है, हम बात कर पा रहे हैं, अपने fear शेयर कर पा रहे हैं, वो अपना world शेयर कर पा रहे हैं. Just take a minute, and I would request you to do this exercise. All of you, just take a minute and close your eyes for a minute. Like everybody, just close your eyes. Close your eyes and imagine that you and your child are able to communicate on this. What do you think would be happening? What will be your experience? Anybody? You are able to communicate about this with your child freely, openly. चाहे वो 8 साल के हैं, चाहे 10 साल के हैं, चाहे 12 साल के हैं, 15 साल के हैं. Whether it's a boy or a girl, whether it is you or your spouse. हमें लगता है कि लड़कियों को मम्मी से बात करनी चाहिए और boys को father से बात करनी चाहिए. That's a myth again. Your boy is talking out to you. Your girl is talking to your husband. What is possible in that environment at home? Anybody?
I think this is the absolute need of the hour. I mean, we understand the need
होगा
and
क्या हो क्या रहा होगा इस टाइम पे फैमिली में क्या हो रहा होगा?
I think kids will open up. We need to obviously, with the inhibitions that even we have, we need to get out of that because abhi bhi hota hai. I have two sons. One is 7-year-old and other is 11. And even I have been thinking that, how to even broach this topic. I really don't know how to get out of that shell and where, or probably what is the right time when I can bring it up. And after this session, I feel that, okay, maybe the time it's come already and we are still, in the previous generation where we think they're too young, maybe let them reach 13 and let them be 14, at least teenager before we bring it up. But at the same time, I noticed the things that you said that kids are doing those kind of things and probably, they're just trying to hide some smaller stuff, just a game or just anything. But the exposure that they have is, we don't know what exposure do they have already. The browsing history is always clear. Like, if I don't even try to spy, but they themselves tell me, "Mummy, aap apna kyun nahi clear karte ho? Main to apna clear rakhta hu hamesha." It's that, and maybe he's just doing it because he feels that his laptop is faster because of that, and he comes and he clears my history. So, and that makes me wonder that even if I want, I can't track. I'm not doing it, but even if I want, I can't track him. So.
By the way, browsing history से slow और fast नहीं होता.
हाँ, कुछ नहीं होता. I mean, I tell him, but the thing is that we know that they're trying to do things, and as they go along, they will be hiding more and more from us.
Can I have your name? Sorry.
Priyanka.
Sorry, Priyanka. So Priyanka, question थोड़ा सा different था. My request to all of you is that, please उस question को ध्यान से समझना और फिर बात करना. If we have started having open conversations, they start talking about their anxieties about sex and drugs and alcohol, and you are able to speak to them and they understand you and they start understanding you and you start understanding them. अगर वो environment आपके घर पे बन रहा है, my question is slightly different. अगर बन गया है, just take a minute and imagine. Today is 13th of November. We will be starting this whole program, I think in the first week of December. I think 10th of December. I'll just check the date and give it to you. So by December and January, if this environment is present at your homes, and I'm talking to everybody right now, how would you feel? आपका experience क्या होगा, feeling wise?
Sir, a feeling of satisfaction will be there. A rapport would be built between the parents and the children. Generation gap will reduce and will come to problem solving. Because जब issues discuss होंगे तो उनके solutions भी निकलेंगे.
Absolutely. What you just said was so beautiful, Monica, is that generation gap. By the way, generation gap is not a generation gap. It actually is a communication gap.
Absolutely, sir.
अगर हमारे बच्चे हमसे बात करना चाहेंगे ना, by the way, if you really ask me, the core of it, you want to talk to your children. Yes?
Absolutely, sir.
Yeah, everybody does, yeah, but we don't know how to.
And let me tell you one more thing. You'll be shocked when I say it. आपको लगेगा कि नहीं यार मैं झूठ बोल रहा हूँ, मेरे बच्चों के साथ ऐसा नहीं है, मेरे बच्चे ऐसे नहीं है, मेरे बच्चे ऐसे नहीं है. ये ना human beings हैं. They also want to talk to you. और उसका मैं एक छोटा सा प्रूफ देता हूँ आपको भी. आप अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है, कोई लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम होती है, isn't your first, but even at this age, is कि यार मम्मी पापा से बात करनी है, वो हेल्प कर देंगे. Yes or no?
True, sir.
Even at this age, they are the first people we want to go to. By the way, your children want to come to you. वो नीड इतनी ज्यादा है उनकी और आपकी, वो एकदम बेस है, बट ऊपर इतना हलचल मची पड़ी है, इतना भूकंप आया हुआ है कि वो सब टूटा पड़ा. हमें नहीं पता उनसे कैसे बात करें, उन्हें नहीं पता हमारे कैसे बात करें, और उसकी वजह से वो ही नहीं हो रहा है, और हम दोनों चाहते हैं. So once you learn this and they learn this, it will become far easier. And just imagine this happening. So मैंने अभी ना the people moving out, I've just put it on the chat, the link. So I'll tell you this link for this amount is, so It's 9950 inclusive of everything for those 4 sessions with your children, training them on drug abuse, alcohol, and with you and your spouse for 2 sessions on how to do that, how to make sure that you are the support structure for them forever. And I can tell you from my experience as a parent, as a father, I spoke to my daughter when she was 8. I spoke to my son when he was 8. About
I have a question here. I'm sorry to interrupt. So as I said, my younger one, he's 7 and the elder one, he's 11. Maybe I am happy to start this with the elder one, but if he goes through it and he will be sharing the same with the younger one who may not be prepared at this age for such exposure, then
so Priyanka, we need to talk to the 7-year-old.
sorry, you need to
Talk to the 7-year-old also. It's not that the
Okay.
7-year-old जैसे वो 8 होगा तो ऐसा कुछ हो जाएगा जो हम उसे बताएं.
exactly.
This exposure is आपके साथ बहुत नॉइज आ रही है. हाँ. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि एक दिन कुछ ऐसा आएगा और खट करके कुछ चेंज हो जाएगा. आज
No, I know.
So it's a gradual process. So we need to talk to children about child sexual abuse, for example. Child sexual abuse बच्चों से बात करनी है at 2.5-year-old. And why I'm saying 2.5-year-old because उससे पहले ना वो समझ नहीं, वो सुन नहीं पाएगा, उसको पता ही नहीं चलेगा. It doesn't know vocabulary. इसलिए 2.5 साल बोल रहा हूँ. Because if you open the newspapers and you look at the statistics, abuse to the extent of rape is happening with children at 1. अब 1 साल के बच्चे को आप समझा नहीं सकते हो, बट हमें 2.5 साल के बच्चे से बात करनी है उस बारे में. So ऐसा नहीं है कि आप 7-year-old से बात नहीं करोगे. 7-year-old से maybe almost 90% बात कर लोगे.
कभी ऐसा लगता है कि won't it be too much for them to take, like when we talk about drugs and all, like अभी इतने nascent उसमें, I mean may not be.
एक काम करना आज जाके, अभी जाके सैटरडे संडे छोटे वाले से पूछना कि उसने ये एड्स देखी हैं, उसने सॉन्ग सुने. तो एक्सपोजर तो ना उसको 5 साल से हो रहा है. 5 साल से हो रहा है. उसने बोलना, सुनना, कॉम्प्रिहेंशन शुरू किया था 2 साल. तब से एक्सपोजर उसके कान में और उसकी आंखों में पड़ रहा है. If you go the hoardings, what are the hoardings? यार हमने do you see the hoardings and the magazines have a very explicit ads about alcohol and about sex, about condoms. वो ना बच्चों वाले ऐड नहीं. मैं अभी जाके ना YouTube पे just search condom ads and you see those ads and you see कि यार ये बच्चों को दिख चुके हैं टीवी पे ऑलरेडी. ये दिख चुके हैं होर्डिंग्स में, ये दिख चुकी है न्यूज़पेपर में. न्यूज़पेपर हमारे घर में रोज आता है, हम उनको बोलते हैं न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ो. ये सारे एड्स आते हैं. एक्सपोजर उसको ना 5 साल पहले हो चुका है, आप नहीं दे रहे.
Right.
A lot of people are leaving, so we can continue the talk and we can start talking about it. My only request is, guys, and my request is, please do not listen to this as यार, क्योंकि ना जब हम सेल्स और मनी की बात करते हैं ना, सडनली लोगों के ना ब्रेन में कुछ हो जाता है, which is very human. मेरे भी होता है, आपके भी होता है. So my request is, do not listen to it from there. I've just shared the link again. I'll share it on the WhatsApp. Do not take a risk on this one. Do not postpone it to tomorrow. As soon as we start receiving, we'll ask you about your children's name and ages and start putting into batches. We'll start this in the 2nd week of December. Late evenings, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, so that after your child comes from school, they have their tuitions and whatever they go to, we're able to speak to them for about an hour, 2 hours together and take this on. So once we make that happen, we will get back to you with the dates and times. So iske liye socho mat, just go for it. If you have any questions, I'm here to answer. Again saying it, this is something which we do not have an option of. We have to get down to every child. So let's start the process and let's make sure that maybe 2021 is the end of not being aware not knowing about it. Let this end this year versus taking to the next year. और अभी किसी का question है about anything else, I'm here. We can talk about it. I'm there to support. And my request to all of you is please forward this, please share this with people, parents, friends in your circles who have children at this age. Please forward it to them. Please get them to be aware also. So I'm not just talking about you coming in and you supporting your children, but people from your circles also coming in. Because हमारे बच्चे उन्हीं circles में. Just imagine his 8 friends or 10 friends are all aware of it and all start behaving responsibly. Is your child safe? The answer is yes. So, any questions, any thoughts anybody wants to ask?
Is it possible to get a recording of this? Like, I know it's being recorded because I want to share it with my husband also. Maybe we can go through it. Yeah.
Sure,
And
absolutely.
that would be helpful.
This will take me some time so it needs conversion. I'll convert it and I will share the link with you on this. You are on the WhatsApp group, right?
I'm not on any group. We got it on the school, on the class group. So
No, but
I don't.
you know, okay. So we had created a group of people who are coming in. So my request would be if you can, आपको WhatsApp आया होगा ना?
हाँ.
उसमें एक number है.
ठीक है.
उस number पे just say a hi or just say that
Okay.
I attended today's session. So we'll know who to send to.
Right. We'll do that.
So उस
Thank
number
you.
पे, and this is for everybody. If you be happy to share this video, not just with you guys. If you think you can send it to other people, feel free. Yeah. I know people think कि session में क्या होगा आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा, but you need to reach out if you think you want to send it to other people in your families, in your circles. Sure, go right ahead.
Thank you so much. That was very helpful. Thanks.
Yeah. And I know if you want to send it on your school groups, or I think there were people from the school industry here from schools. If you want to take it for your schools, please feel free. The idea is to take it back. Training of teachers to do this, really more than happy to do that.
But I think one thing which you should also, because you are associated with the school and it's coming, we got to know about you from the school. You should also do that lobbying where the school actually takes that step and educates the children, because they need to. When it comes from school, it has a different impact, right? When it comes from parents, it has a different impact. So that has to be within the curriculum.
But now, उस thought को side पे कर दो. It's not just about coming from क्या parents बोलेंगे तो बच्चे नहीं सुनेंगे school बोलते हैं.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. It's just that we know that they take it more seriously when it comes from.
मैं उसको वहाँ से देखता हूँ कि यार parents से बात कर रहा हूँ तो मेरे को 1 या 2 बच्चों पे impact हो रहा है. अगर school से बात कर रहा हूँ तो 2000 बच्चों पे impact हो रहा है.
Right.
But this connection between you and your child on these topics has to happen between the parents and child. That they can come and talk to you. You can go to them. वो connection बहुत जरूरी है. That is what is required.
I agree. No, that's true. They won't be going back to school.
Replacement नहीं है.
I agree. Anyway, thank you so much. Thank you.
Anybody else? Any other question? And my request is don't think about it. Yeah, it's not even worth thinking of spending money or time on this one. It's not worth it. It's absolutely not worth it. And the only reason we brought it down to this level, let's reach everybody. Let's give it to all and somebody. So any question, any thought anybody has before we close? Any question anybody has? So Prachi, I'm just going one by one because there are just a few people left. Anjali, Priya, Vandana, Yash. No? I don't even know if you're there or not. So great, guys. All the best. Keep in touch. And my request would be, as I said before, take it to everybody. Let's save our children from this huge issue which is impacting their mental, physical, emotional health, not just theirs but ours too. Please do not stop here. This was, as I said before, this was just an alarm clock. तो अलार्म बजा है, इसको बंद करके फिर से मत सो जाना. So great. All the best. Sablin, you're saying, if you're saying something, you're on mute. Sablin, are you there? Okay. Good. Okay. Fine, guys. All the best. Happy weekend and happy parenting.